Hey, what's up, y'all? I want to show you something real quickly here. So here you have an attic space that is conditioned. In other words, they've spray foam insulated the roof structure in this attic. Traditionally, on most homes, and definitely most older homes, you would see this area right here we're looking at insulated. Those are the ceiling cavities. So when you go in your attic, more than likely that's what you're going to see in your attic, unless you have a newer home or perhaps one that's been modified in this way. But this home again has got spray foam on the roof structure. What makes that different is that's supposed to keep this area of the attic conditioned, and that doesn't mean that 70 degrees down in the house and 70 degrees in the attic, but it does mean if it's 110 outside, maybe it's like 80, 85 in this attic. So helps a lot with efficiency of your HVAC system. Can help it last longer, definitely helps it cool easier or warm easier than it would in a traditional home. But one important part of having a conditioned attic space is that it's completely sealed. So it's important that there's no air gaps. So this place has got to be essentially like you would treat a living area, like your home down below. You shouldn't have any places where air from the outside is coming or going. So here, I want to show you something here. You can see right there. There's a vent they placed right there. I'm assuming they placed this vent there because this is a gas-fired natural gas furnace. So perhaps they're trying to bring in some sort of combustible air, some return air, if you will, to this unit to help this gas supply burn. The problem with that is they've completely made this attic conditioned space irrelevant, essentially. There's really no point to this insulation as is, because it's not doing the job that it was originally designed for when it was installed. That's kind of a minor thing to me. Long term that would probably impact these folks' energy bills more than it would if it was done 100% correctly, but it's definitely not the end of the world. Nevertheless, it's something worth knowing, and definitely something I'll note in the inspection report. Thanks for your time.